Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a really beautiful day outside, so I figured why not unbox some things outside again. And this time, I won't be jumping in the water. Yeah, so yesterday, or whenever I'm uploading this, I stood in line at Phil Bars for a while to get a bunch of NYCC shared exclusives. And I'm gonna unbox them for you. Okay, first we got the Killer Frost Pop. And I like how Funko did it because it actually came frozen in a block of ice. And it's like really hot here, so yeah. So it's kind of melting already. And I hope I can review it soon. I'm gonna put it in the sun to thaw out. Let's move on to the next one. Here, the camera's on this side. So I got the rock candy Pocahontas. I don't have a lot of rock candy, so I really like the rock candy plastic insert because it's a waste of plastic. And you know, it's always secure and nice. Okay. Okay, there you go. Oh hey, does this backdrop seem familiar? I'm not jumping in, I'm not wearing a swimsuit. Arthur Curry, topless Aquaman. For some reason the back tattoos look different. I gotta compare it to my other topless Aquaman. Yeah, they're different. It's a really great day to jump into the pool right now. Now, who loves filming against the light? Oh, I really like the 2-pack boxes. They're nice and thick. This one comes with a background of rocks and the sky. Weren't they racing in the field? Okay, so nice plastic insert, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I already opened this guy last night because the Flash has like this wire around its neck, so I couldn't get him out. But yeah, I cut it open now. He's the light. I'm not really a big fan of Superman, so I was just planning on getting just the Flash and giving Superman to someone else, but then I saw the sculpt. It's like really good, like he's in a flying pose. The details on his suit's really nice. It's like you can see the muscle. Can you see that? Yeah, from this angle you can kind of see. And his cape is stuck to his feet. If I take him apart, I'm not sure how it'll be. But yeah. I'm keeping the Superman because it actually looks really good. And Flash, at first I thought it was just like the TV Flash, but you know, a different suit. But this one, he has the lightning wrapped around him. It's not like the TV version where it's just behind. And he has a little cloud there on his foot. Paint job's a bit, yeah, it's really good. You know, I'd like it if his lightning was glow in the dark. So the block of ice is stuck to her icicle, so I'm just gonna review her as if, oh, look at that. She has real powers. So, let's see, this is her season 3 look, which I'm not really a big fan of. I like the season 4 look better, but if she had the season 4 jacket with this color, I'd like that a bit more. But yeah. Anyway, cut that up. So overall, she looks good. Her sculpt is good. I like how her hands and the icicles are translucent. And she has the makeup on. I haven't seen her glow yet. And I haven't seen pictures of her glowing, so I hope it's good. I hope it makes sense. Because as far as I remember, Killer Frost doesn't glow. I have one more left. Okay, last one. Completely unexpected, Beric Dundarian. Wait, I forgot the mic. Actually, the only two I really wanted is Killer Frost and Beric. But since I was number 112 in line and they still had stocks of the other ones, might as well. Oh, he looks good. Wow, the flames look really good. It's translucent. And I wish it glowed in the dark instead of this girl, but anyway. Yeah, I like his like coat thing, like the texture and the dirtiness and the sculpting looks nice. Except that his coat is dirty and the rest of him is too clean. Kinda, you know, make the whole thing dirty, like make his face dirty. Yeah, I really like him. I didn't expect them to make Beric, but I guess he looks really badass with his flaming sword.
You know what Game of Thrones character I really want? Theon Greyjoy. Like, seriously, he's been around since season 1, episode 1. How much screen time did this guy get?
But yeah, I really like this. Oh, I forgot to review the plastic insert. It's bad. Okay, that's my NYCC shared exclusives unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed that. And see you later this month. Bye.